Today I talk about our research, three-dimensional measurement of skin displacement. There are various configurations of tactile display. However, most of them reproduce the skin displacement during touch rather than the shape of the object itself. Therefore, investigating the skin displacement is essential to develop tactile displays. These are examples of methods which measure actual skin displacement. The study of Kaneko and Kajimoto, shown on the left, measure the displacement during tracing textured surfaces. They use silicone oil to eliminate the effect of refraction on textured surfaces, allowing for clear observation. However, their measurements were only two-dimensional in tangential direction. On the other hand, the study by Hauser and Garing, shown on the right, measured the skin displacement when touching a soft object in 3 dimensions using stereo vision. We combine these two methods to measure the skin displacement when tracing a textured surface in 3 dimensions. This is a measurement device we built. 2 cameras are attached to the stereo microscope to observe the skin of the finger part. To measure skin displacement, dot markers are applied to the skin, and each dot is tracked in both left and right camera images. Then dot positioned in two images are combined to compute 3-dimensional positions. Since the system is calibrated, the displacement can be computed in physical units, that is, millimeters. We performed an experiment to evaluate the accuracy of the system. A texture with a step of 1 mm height was moved under the finger, and the skin displacement above and below the step was compared. In theory, the skin displacement should be 1 mm. However, in fact, the measured displacement was about 0.8 mm. This 80% scaling may be because the effect of refraction was not completely removed. Next, as a more practical experiment, we measured the skin displacement on various textures. Here the result for sinusoidal texture. As you can see in the video, the points were moving like wave. This is a plot of normal and tangential displacements of some points. You can see the waveform of the texture were reflected in displacement. The displacement was larger in the normal direction rather than in the tangential direction. In the future, we will investigate the relationship between skin displacement and subjective tactile sensations. Thank you.